now see the representation of an angle. Can clearly see OA and OB are the sides or the arms of the angle, and the center point O is the vertex of the angle, and here we mark the angle this way. So this is an angle, and an angle is represented by the symbol this, and denoted by capital letters of the English alphabet. Now in the above figure, AOB is the angle. We represent the angle AOB as, or this can even be represented as angle BOA. Just now what we saw, this is the symbol of the angle. It is read as angle and represented by the capital letters of the English alphabet. So angle AOB or read as angle BOA. And if you observe carefully, the middle letter, it represents the vertex of the angle. Vertex means the point where the angle is formed. You can see here, vertex is 0. 0 is vertex because at 0 the angle is formed. So we can see two different types of rays coming out from emerging from a common end point. Let us find out the angle. So let us first see the first picture. Here we can name the angle here as M, or the vertex as M, and the sides as L and N. So angle is formed at M. We know that M is the vertex of the angle. How to name the sides? Now you see, since angle is formed at M, we can find two sides. One is going up this way, other one is this way. So the sides of this angle are ML and MN. Now how to name the angle? Since M is the vertex, M has to come in between. We can name the angle either as angle LMN or angle NML. So M has to come in between since the angle is formed at M, or M is the vertex of the angle. So how to write the angles using the other symbol? Write LMN and then denote it above M. Same way, write NML and then denote it using this angle symbol. Now look at the second picture. Let us name the vertex as H and the sides respectively E, F and G. Now if you see carefully, we have three arms coming out or emerging from the vertex H. So we know that H is the vertex that and which are the sides? If you see H clearly, one is HE, HF and HG are the sides of the angle. Now which are the angles formed? So starting from the first ray, first angle is EHF, second one is FHG, and if you see carefully, the biggest angle formed here is EHG. So there are three angles formed in this figure. So let us write the angles formed. The biggest angle formed we will write using this symbol. So the biggest angle that formed is EHG, angle EHG, or it can also be written as angle GHE. And the two small angles, we are going to denote them using the other symbol. So the smaller angles are angle EHF and angle FHG. So where to write the angle symbol? Since angle is formed at H, write it above H. What is the other way of writing angle EHF? It is angle FHE. Denote it by the angle symbol, writing it above H. Here if you observe, only the first two syllables or first two alphabets are interchanged. Same way if you write this, it can be written as angle GHF or GHF. Denote the angle symbol above H. Third exercise from the reader, page number 73. Pawan has arranged sticks as shown in the figure. Observe the angles formed here and mark the angles by drawing lines. If you see the first picture, we can see it has 1, 2 and 3 sides and 2 vertices. It is easy to mark the angles by drawing lines, but before doing that we are going to name the sides and the vertices. First one I am doing it for you, the remaining 3 you have to solve them on your own. So the angles are formed at B and C. Same way, name the 3 sides and see where are the angles formed. Second figure, you can see a shape of V. Name the sides. You can name them as EFG. I have named EFG this way, such that at F an angle is formed, or F becomes the vertex of the angle. So I will mark angle at F. Next we can see the shape which somewhat looks like X. So we can name this LMN and OP. You can see that M is the vertex. At LMP one angle is formed, PMN another angle is formed, NMO another angle, and OML another angle is formed. So this picture we have 4 angles formed at M. Next one, it looks like a T. Mark the sides first. PQR. Don't you think something is missing here in the picture? What is it that I have left? I have left the vertex of the angle, the main point. That is this, and we can name this as S. If you observe now, we have an angle formed at PSR, that is here. Another angle is formed at RSQ. Or if you go reverse, QSR, one angle is formed. RSP, another angle is formed. Question number 4. Name the angle, vertex and the sides of the following figures. Now if you see the example, the angle is XYZ. Angle is formed at Y. That's why letter Y is written in between. This can also be written as angle ZYX. ZYX. This we have to write. Angles can also be written using one more symbol. We are going to write that also. That is XYZ, angle is formed at Y. Same way in reverse, ZYX, angle is formed at Y. Y is the vertex of the angle, and YX and YZ are the sides, and sides are denoted using this symbol. So let us solve the first problem. You can see the picture and the sides are named as C, D and E, and the angle is formed at D. First we have to write the angle. Let us write the angle. angle CDE or EDC. Let us represent the angle using one more symbol also, this way. Second one is we have to write the vertex. Tell me which is the vertex? D is the vertex. Last one is sides. The sides are D to E, D to C. That is DE and DC. Let us solve the second one. The sides are named as K, L and M. Angle is formed at L. So the angle can be written as angle KLM or angle MLK. Using the other symbol, let us write angle KLM or angle MLK. Second one, we have to write the vertex. Vertex is L and the sides are L to K, LK, L to M, LM. Third one, sides are SUT. Angle is formed at U. So we can say that angles are SUT or TUS. Using the other symbol, it's written this way. Vertex, we all know that vertex is U and the sides are UTUS. Sides are denoted using this symbol. The fourth one, it is a straight line. We all can see it clearly. And this line is named as PR, marking Q as the center. They have already marked the angle at Q. So it is clear that the angle is written as PQR. Or RQP. Using the other symbol, it is written this way. So Q is the vertex, QP and QR are the sides.